Hello my family. Sasa ni wakati wa kanyama. Waona? Wewe unaenda kununua chakula ikiwa imeiva. Ndio unakula nyama ya umbwa ama unakula nyama ya wapi? Unaikula ikiwa katikati ya mbaga, ikiwa imewekwa kwa pizza. Nijui kama ni ya paka. Unbelievable. Alafu unakuja kucomplain ikiwa kwa tumbo ikiuma. Ndio unasema sijui hiyo nyama ilitoka wapi, ni kama uliwekwa kwa mtu, ni kama uliwekwa na mtu kwa mdomo. You are the only one who put it inside your stomach through your mouth without wondering or without thinking what kind of a meat it is. Hapa kuna tu mushroom twangu pia tunaiva separately. Family keep on watching. Ay. Na nini inakuja ndani? Chili. Chili inapatia food kick. Itaenda kufungua brand stream. The frequency of my brand will run very good. The benefits of chili is amazing. Amazing. Make sure you cook your meat very well. And make sure not eat your meat while you are cooking because it's not yet cooked. All the bacteria has to be cooked. Kuna watu wamezoea kula nyama ikiwa kwa jiko ikikaangwa. Unaweza pata African Express. Kuharibikiwa na tumbo. Tunaita African Express. Ndio utaharibikiwa na tumbo ukikula nyama kama injaiva. Bakteria ikifika kwa tumbo, inakuwa harapiano, I'm telling you. So nyinyi young people, mumepotea njia. Mumepotea. You lost your orientation, young people. You are like, I don't know, like how you call them? Mmekuwa kama, how you call them? Mmekuwa kama ant. Mmekuwa kama ant. Mmepotea njia. Mmepotea njia hata mjui mnafanya nini. You are always on the way searching, looking. Wacha kukimbizana na dunia. Let the life search you. You are rushing. Munakibisana na dunia wapi? Let the money look for you. Do your work and let the money look for you, and the universe will be on your side. Na hii pesa mnaenda kutafuta kila siku. Naenda kutafuta hera. Ni nani alitupa? Na silikuwa ngapi? Silikuwa ngapi? Mwenye kutupa alisema silikuwa ngapi? Family, know exactly where you are putting your energy. If you are every day walking around and telling people, naenda kutafuta wapi? Where are you going to search? You forget yourself, you are winner by nature. Look, family. Look the way mushroom has got a lot of water, I can see, full of vitamin D. Man. And you know what? Definitely I'm going to bring this water to this meat so that my mushroom can cook dry very well, family. Keep on watching. It's amazing. It looks so appetizing and calling me, come and eat me. Karim Daddy. Come and eat me, I look beautiful, I will heal your body, just trust me, Karim G, Daddy G, I will heal your body, just eat me, take me please, my meat, my mushroom, you don't have to beg me to eat you, I know who you are, you know. I eat you and I know you will talk to me in my body while you are healing me at the same time. Man, amazing family. yeah, 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 yeah. What is going on here? What is going on? Okay, okay. Okay, all right, all right. All right. My mushroom family, they are ready, as you can see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I'm going to add a little bit olive oil, bio olive oil, a little bit. It's so hot, family. Here everything is natural, family. You see? Wow. You see, family? Hey, beautiful, beautiful. Now these are my meat. You remember the big piece of meat I was cutting? Look, they are bigger than the other one, you see? Do you have member of your family who prefer big pieces? That's why I was meaning. But me, myself, I prefer small piece. But I know, of course, every family has got one of your family who prefer big pieces. That's why I cut bigger pieces to just show you. You don't have to cut all of the meat small. You can cut bigger for your uncle, for your brother. Boys, they prefer big pieces, family. And here I'm going to put nearly 1 cup of water so that my meat, till now I haven't tasted my meat, my dear. I haven't. The reason why, my meat has to be cooked first, you know. And I make sure I add paprika, of course. 1 teaspoonful of paprika and 1 teaspoonful of curry powder, you know. And if you add your salt, depending with your taste, but it's good to add salt while your meat is a little bit cooked, because when you add the salt from the beginning, your meat will be very, very hard, because salt will make hard. It's better to add salt when your food has got a little bit fluid. You know what I mean? Family, keep on watching. It looks amazing. Amazing. Family, here everything is natural. No pretending, nothing. So my meat is cooking nearly 10 to 15 minutes, family. It's amazing. Keep watching.